I'm going to be assembling our tree. Here's the bottom of the stand. In this box, oh brother, other branches, this box gets heavier each year. Oh, I'm getting old. Be with you in a second. Here are all the branches to the tree. They're alphabetized from A through G. I am going to show you how I assemble our alphabetized tree. Okay, time to assemble the tree. I take this part and I put it here. This bottom section, this way. Isn't that fun? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow night. Just kidding. Okay. This is the top, so I will put it on the top. Cut my finger. Now we start with the A's. Okay. Having fun. These are A's, aren't they? Those weren't the A's, those were the B's. Am I still on? Okay. A row of A's. I am assembling the tree. A. Okay. Alright. Stick these suckers in here. This way. Put them in here. Like so. See that? It's all alphabetized. As long as you can the alphabet, you should be fine. Ah, you see? It's already shaping up. Next comes B. Isn't that clever? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm going to assemble our alphabet tree. Yeah. Hey, it's Christmas. I can have fun. See, these are B's. Now. Okay. B. B-A-B-B-E-B, B-I-Picky-Bye, B-O-Bo, Picky-Bye, Bo, A-U-Boo, Picky-Bye, Bo, Boo. I used to use alphabet song. Okay, now, there's only one row of A's, but every other row, there are double rows of the other letters. 2 rows of B's, 2 rows of C's, D's, etc. Alright. You're losing me, aren't you? Oh no! The tree is taking me away from you people. You can't see my wonderful face. Oh, that is a B. Yep, that's a B. Okay. Yes, I am assembling our tree. Let's see. See? Tree. Doesn't it look real? Yeah, it does. Alright. This should be, let's see, C's. And just like the B's, there are 2 rows. 2 rows. Feel like I'm a tree. Yeah, this is going to be a real interesting video. I can't wait for the playback. Hey, it's Christmas time. You have fun. around the carousel of life once. That's what I feel. Have fun. I'm a little tree. Alright. Okay, come on, baby. See? There we go. Okay, 2 more of the seeds. Alright. Alright. There we go. Get in there. Get in there. Oops. I missed the hole. Even with my glasses on, I can't see. Okay. Alright. This should be a D. That should be D. Sad, I can't even see. I will need magnifying glasses later. This is. I remember one of our older fake trees, they were color coded. They were fine until the color faded from the tips and you had to kind of guess, is it blue, is it red, does this branch fit here, is this the right size, no, this one is too short, and you always had to take that apart. But this is our tree. I like it, it's all alphabetized. The way the world should be. The world should be alphabetized. The world would be a happier place, alphabetized. Let's see. Okay, see that? Tree. D-E. Yeah. Hey, guess what? I almost forgot which roll I was on. That's another problem I have. E. Okay. Let's see. Where am I? Let's see if I can show you. There. Well, then, yeah, a little further down. Let's lay. Okay. Here I am on the ground. On the floor. Ground floor. The ground floor. Get in there. La 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 la. Hey, see? You have Pinocchio and you tell lies, a branch goes from your nose. No, Daddy Geppetto, I won't lie anymore. Hey, Pinocchio. I like Pinocchio. I always wondered when Geppetto saw that Pinocchio talked, poor guy didn't drop down dead of a heart attack. That wouldn't make much of a movie. Okay, I have a very twisted sense of humor. He's a talker. Yeah. Okay, 2 more. 1, 2. Here we go. Okay. Neat. The alphabetized tree is almost all assembled, huh? Not bad. Come on. That's a matter of your face, it's a matter of your face, it's a matter of your face. La 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 la. Hey. Okay. Hey, one fell off. Yeah, one casualty. Okay. The last row is a G. You know, I often thought to myself, I would one day, I'd put the B's, the A's down here, you see, the B's, and make it a weirdo shaped tree. Like this. Instead of like that. Yeah. Okay. The last shaped. The last branches. Oh boy, am I getting old. Like, one little fake branch makes you go kabing bang. Okay. I'm assembling a tree. Assembling our tree, cause I am me, I assemble our tree. La la la. I never thought this is something I can think of. This video is going to be pretty long. May not fit. If you sit on my lap today, you better be a pretty girl. That's all I've got to say. That one. Okay. Get in there. All right. 2 more branches to go, and 1 more branch to go, and boom! That's it. There you go. Our alphabet tree is all set up. Didn't take long. Huh? That's a nice tree. What do you think? And tomorrow I'll have it decorated. Ta-ra!